When you make a big bow, it's easier to use wide and wired ribbon. With the main ribbon, make one loop and a tail with the right end. Keep the point at where you'd like to make a bow. Then do the same thing with the secondary ribbon. One loop and a tail, but at the end, this bow will be tied separately, so there is a little exception. Keep two ribbons together. Take the longer end ribbon around down and wrap under the box to the front. Longer end comes back to front on the right side of the shorter end. At the point where you'd like to make the bow, turn it corner to the left. Using the longer end, pull around it horizontally. Make sure the back is flat, then wrap to the front. The longer end should be underneath of the shorter end. The right shorter end goes over and through under the cross point from lower left hand corner. Then pull it out, pointing in the upper right hand corner. Tie it firmly, then using the main ribbon start to make loops with the longer end. After you make the first loop toward the upper right, continue to make loops. For making an 8 loops bow, make 4 loops on the right side and 3 loops on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Gather the loops in the center, then with the right shorter end, make it go over and push into the hole and pull out to the left. You can make any number of loops. Just keep right side always one more loop than the left side. For tightening it, pull out the upper side of the most bottom loop of the left side and the lower side of the most bottom loop of the right side. Then adjust and fluff the loop slightly for now. Using the secondary ribbon, make a knot at the front. Since it's tied extra, it would be opposite the positioning of the shorter end and longer end. So if you like to make multiple bow with the secondary ribbon, you need to leave the shorter end longer at first. This time I'm going to make simple 2 loops bow at the front. I'm going to use the way to tie with the one side ribbon since it makes look better. Take the right end ribbon, go around the loop 1.5 round, and go to the front and tuck under the knot. For tightening it, pull out the bottom side of the both loops. Then adjust and secure the shape of the all loops while make them fluffy until it's getting looks nice. Trimming tails is always at the end, so you can cut them as desired. There are many different ways to make fancy big bows. You can use your creativity to make your original big bow.